Woo! You collected 100% of the points that the lucky wheel offered. Well done, yeah. What I'm going to do now is click this 800 Satoshis button. Okay, now I click that, then it will load another page. It's redirecting to the offer, as you can see here. Okay, now I am going to teach you how to complete this lucky wheel quiz. It is very easy. First we have to click this green or blue, I think it's green next button. Okay, now it's loading. First thing, we have to click this spin wheel. Next, there are a few ads. That's how this website earn money. And I'm going to click this next button again. And now we have to answer these questions. First question, answer this question to get the points on the wheel. Look at the clue cards and tell us in which country would you find these two things. Great Barrier Reef, platypus. Australia. Okay, now this is the second question. Look at the clues on the cards and find the singer that sang these two songs, Material Girl and Like a Prayer. I think it's Madonna. What are we referring here? Carnation and gardenia. Carnation and gardenia are flowers. Spin the wheel again. Look at the clues to figure out which event we are referring to. Turkey and pilgrims. Aha, I know this. It's Thanksgiving. Tricky. The wheel is trying to spin you out. What are these clues referring to? Muscles and cells. Anatomy. Famous monuments. Where are these located? Big Ben and Tower Bridge. I think it's in London. What do these two words usually relate to? Khavan and Calderon. Oh, it's witches. What famous series are we referring to here? Return of the King and Two Towers. Lord of the Rings. What types of fruits are the orange and lime? They are citrus. Where do these foods come from? Burrito and fajitas. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay, by the way, it's from Mexico. In which country would you find these two landmarks? Places of Versailles and Notre Dame. It's from France. Oh, Spain, France. Oh, Spain. France. Both these clues appeared as Peanuts and Garfield. They are comics. In which city would you find these two places? Colosseum and Trevi Fountain. Colosseum from Rome. Which of these foods contains the most of these two ingredients? Vitamin C and fiber. Pomegranates. What are we referring to here? Drill, mandrill. This is type of monkeys. Freaking mosquitoes. Where do these belong? Bishop and knight. They are in a chess set. What do these two people have in common? Abraham Lincoln, John F. Kennedy. Both were assassinated. What are these spices? What are these species a type of? Bowhead or Mura. They are whales. What are we talking about here? Needle nose, slip joint, pliers. Answer is pliers. What are we referring to here? Capolina, Appaloosa. Appaloosa. Breeds of horses. Where would you find these two cities, Natal and Osasco? Brazil. What types of animals are these? Dolphin and elephant. They are mammals. Look at this clue card. Look at the clue on the cards to get the points on the wheel. Where would you find these objects? Endoscope, cannula. In hospital, I guess. Let's see. Look at the clue on the cards and score points. Which musicians are we referring to here? Space Oddity, Starman. David Bowie. The wheel lights up again. Check your clues. Which star was in both films? Edward Ciso. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce that, sorry. Beetlejuice. Winona Ryder. Yeah. That's the answer, by the way. If you decide to give you another card, the blue card, it could be a clue or a false clue. It's up to you. If you want to use it, which artist are we talking about? Cubism, Spain, the old guitarist. Think Pablo Picasso. If you took that last clue, you are right. Right. It was a useful one. Oh, thank you. Now look again at the clues on the cards. Which country links both words? Stromboli or Dalo? I guess Italy. Look at the clue cards on the look at the clues on the cards to get your points. What do these signs stand for on the periodic table? Is metal. Look at the clues on the wheel. There is another blue clue. Oh man. But it could also be misleading. You take it or leave it to answer the question. Who are we talking about here? Ides of March, Unicorns, Julius Caesar, Julius Caesar. Calculating results. Woohoo! You collected 100% of the points that the lucky wheel offered. Well done, yeah. Now guys, we have to share our points in one of these links. Either it's Facebook or Twitter or email, or we can copy the link and paste it in anywhere. I'm going to choose Twitter, and let's click tweet. That's it. Now I think we completed the offer and we got 836.